One of the main things we were trying to achieve with this property for the clients was to create that Canadian lakeside camp experience for them. And in order to achieve that, it was really important for us to carve out these spaces in the landscape for these experiences to happen. Whether that experience be fireside at dusk, roasting marshmallows, or outdoor cooking and eating on the dining table outside, just walking through kind of meandering woodland pathways. These were all really important, and I think at the basis of the design, it was important that every space blended back into the natural landscape so they felt like they were one, and nothing that was designed to be imposing on what was existing. I think one of the really unique parts of this property, even before we got involved, was the existing bedrock that kind of frames in both sides. There's a lot of outcroppings on site too, and so we wanted to recreate that ourselves by hand selecting granite slabs from a local quarry and kind of intermingling them throughout the site so that when you're walking down a pathway, you're walking around a bedrock outcropping, or if you're sitting on a patio, there's a bedrock outcropping that's framing it in. We have 3 phases of design: concept development, which is that initial concept phase of 2D, kind of taking in all the client's wish lists and programming elements and putting that onto a 2D plan. And then the next phase is visualization, which is the next layer of design. So at this phase, we're doing 3D renderings for the client. We're producing palettes for materials, planting, furniture, whatever it may be that we're sourcing for them. And then the third phase being construction documentation, and that's where we get into the really nitty-gritty, detailed elements: layout plans, planting plans, grading plans, construction details. The hot tub itself was a really unique one. We ended up with this irregular shape that kind of reflected that 5-point flagstone that's found throughout the site. The other nice thing about that irregular shape is we could kind of maximize the angles to make sure wherever someone was sitting in the hot tub, they had that great view of the lake. We're thrilled that it's done now. I say done, but phase 1 is complete. There's going to be a phase 2 and probably a phase 3. But it's really nice just to see the clients interacting with the spaces that we've created and finally seeing everything in completion.